Hey guys, and thanks for joining me for the unboxing. How are you doing? I hope you're having some great shaves, guys. Right, I'm excited about this unboxing even though I know what's in it because I chose it. It was the way it came about because it's a gift. And here it is. I got an email from Dave McMillan from Shaving Time. And he said to me, choose which sterling set you want and the Highland Springs shaving company set you want, and I want to send you a razor. And I emailed him back and I was like, fantastic, absolutely can't believe it, but why? And I tried to get his email back up. I'm having trouble with my emails, and I hope I can get it sorted for the competition for the brush, because you're going to have to email me your address, whoever wins. At the moment, I can't get my emails. I don't know what's going on. Mrs. B's going to sort it out for me, hopefully. Like, and his message back, as far as I can remember, was, now and again we share the love, and we wanted to include you. So I'm assuming it's the love of wet shaving. So I am really happy, first of all, that he's watching my videos and that my passion and the love of wet shaving comes across, because that's what it is. And this is it. And I must admit, I have opened it because I was expecting another package and I didn't know which one was which. I didn't want to just open it and it's like, it's not what David sent me. So thank you very much, David, if you're watching. Thank you so much for your kindness and generosity. Right, this is what I chose. What should we go with first? Highland Springs Shaving Company. I'm a sucker for barbershop scents, so I went with the barbershop, and it is nice. There's a powdery scent there. Is that patchouli? There's sandalwood in it as well. I can smell sandalwood. It's beautiful. And there's the port. I'll show you again when I use it, and I'll probably use it next week. There's the ingredients. It's nice. And no, not that one. I got the matching splash, and with it being like a milky liquid, I'm assuming, because I haven't looked, is that Havana Vier? Is that how you pronounce it? I'm assuming it's got skin food in it. So, oh wow, that's really prominent. I'm looking forward to using that. The sterling scent, there is so many. I think there's, is it 70 to 72 sterling scents, and the main stockist of sterling soaps. What a variety they do stock though. I mean, David's not asked me to do this. I asked him if it was okay if I did a video of the unboxing and mention his name, sterling soaps and everything like that, because I was overwhelmed and I just think it warranted a video. Right, sorry this goes on. The sterling soap I chose, because there's so many that I want. I've got quite a few, but there's so many I want. It had to be Island Man, because it's a seasonal soap. It's a limited edition, and I have checked the site. They have sold out, but if you sign up to the newsletter, you'll get notification, or you should get notification when they get more in stock. And it's a beautiful scent. It's absolutely beautiful, very tropical. And there's the pour, there's the colour of it, guys. It's like, it's an aqua colour. It's beautiful. Very tropical. And those of you that like sterling soaps, I've seen reviews on this, and a couple of people slated it. Rubbish. No scent whatsoever. I can only say to them, get your noses checked, because this is beautiful, and everybody knows how Sterling perform, because the Sterling soaps, for the price, I think is it £15 or something like that for 5.8 ounces, and the quality of Sterling soaps are there. They're up there with the best, but the prices are here. Beautiful. And I got now I haven't opened this. God, I've got no strength. I need more Weetabix. I got the matching splash. Oh, it's even sealed. I'm not going to take it off. I'll take it off and everything when I use it. But it's a beautiful scent. Now the razor he wanted to send me, I was a bit cheeky. And in the email I said to him, if I was to buy that razor, I would like it, or I would buy it in an open comb. And it's a Razor Rock. And this was on my list of razors to get, hence the cheeky question. And it's the Razor Rock 68p open comb. And I can't wait to try this, and I love this handle. I've got two of these handles now. It's beautiful. I can't wait to, so I'm using this. Oh, should I use it on Friday shave? Yeah, I'm going to use this on Friday shave. So this will be on tomorrow's shave. Excited. So I'll put that back in there for now. I've got to sterilise it, so I'll sterilise it later on. Give it 24 hours and then I'll use it for the shave. I'm not going to use the soaps till next week, because I've got a couple of soaps there that I've loaned off Paul H and I've had them quite a while and I haven't used them. So I need to use them and give them in back. Sorry, Paul. sorry it's been so long. You know how it is. We're all busy. Right, that's it guys. It's just a quick video. Alright. I wanted to share it with you guys. I can't shut the box. I wanted to share it with you guys for the fact that it came from Dave McMillan, owner, founder of Shaving Time. And he's been watching me videos and everything, and he obviously thought I was worthy of sharing the love, and I wanted to share it with you. So thanks guys, thanks very much for joining me. See you tomorrow on the shave with the new razor, the new Razor Rock. Guys, that's it, I'm all excited, I'm like a kid. And I'll be using one of Paul's soaps that he's loaned me, so we can give him back. Right, thanks guys, take care, thanks for joining me, stay safe, look after your loved ones. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.